When we started DoMyOwn.com 20 years ago, we could only dream of the company we would grow into.
Because of all our amazing customers like you, we went from packing boxes in our parents' basement to one of the largest online retailers of pest control lawn care in the US.
Our mission has always been to provide you with the absolute best customer experience.
And the Do My Own experience doesn't stop when the product reaches your door. We have a customer service team waiting to help you and a full library of how-to treatment guides and instructional videos to help you DIY like a pro.
We wouldn't be where we are today without our amazing employees and customer service team. Many of them have been with us over 10 years. In fact, our first employee, Jill, is currently our customer service director. Oh, hey, Jill.
Shh. Thank you for choosing Do My Own. This is Jill. How may I help you?
Thank you for 20 years of DoMyOwn.com.